So I'm in a bit of a pickle right now. I just took the bike up the road. I wanted to test it and it just stopped. And now it's not turning on. And remember how I was saying in 2 hours no cars passed? Well, I'm in the middle of nowhere. 5-10 minute drive from the guest house, which isn't so bad. I can walk that. I have one small bottle of water. My bad. I came out here and not prepared. I don't have a long sleeve or sunscreen. I was just taking it for a test drive. I didn't even think. I mean, it was just cruising down a mountain. Oh yeah, can't hear my engine. You know why? Because it's broken! And I'm stuck in the middle of Cederburg with a broken bike. And I was told this bike was mechanically perfect to cross Africa. And it couldn't even make it 300 kilometers. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. We started the bike and let it run for about 15-20 minutes to make sure the engine was nice and hot. Checked the oil. There was absolutely no oil in the bike. We have mechanic here to verify this information, and now we're putting the oil in. We need to bring it up again, don't we? There was no oil in the bike, and it just had an oil change. Let's check it now.
Okay.
There we go. Now we've got some on the stick.
Yeah.
So the bike was having extreme difficulties getting up here. It felt very laborious. It was overheating. The fan was coming on when it probably shouldn't have. The forks were, I mean, I was just slamming down every single little bump, and it was just. And when I got here, I noticed that my coolant was leaking. And so luckily there was a mechanic staying here who checked it, and he also checked the oil. Now that's something I would never have thought to check because it just had an oil change, and so it didn't even cross my mind to check the oil. We also checked the water reservoir. There was virtually no water in it. I took it in for a service to Yamaha, and I basically said, you know, do whatever you have to do, make it safe. I'm about to cross Africa. You know, I'm on my own, just make it safe type thing. So the fact that they neglected these small little things, which are not small, they were supposed to do an oil change. I paid for an oil change. There was no oil in my bike. It's not leaking. It's been parked in the same place for 2 weeks. It's not burning oil because there's no smoke, there's nothing in the exhaust, which means that they just forgot to put it in. Are you serious? They had to make it. What? Guys, that's a big thing. I just came up here. There was nobody on the road. I didn't pass anybody for like 2 hours. There was nobody. And what if the engine blew? What if, you know? And sending me off, and I said to the mechanic, and I'm pretty sure I had it recorded in one of my videos, you know, there's something wrong with the front end, the front suspension. What's going on here? He test rode it. He said everything's fine. Did you take it for a test drive?
No, I didn't. I wasn't supposed to.
I don't know. Someone was supposed to take it for a test drive because when I rode it the other day, the front end was going bum 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 bum, and it felt as though the road was uneven, but it wasn't. So I don't know what.
Nothing unusual.
No, that's normal.
Noise, but it's not a vibration or anything.
No, it's not. It's a sensation. It feels like the bike is going. No, that's normal.
It's just a noise.
No, there's no noise.
I can hear the.
Okay, it wasn't an actual noise, but my whole body was going like this. It was going up and down.
I didn't feel anything out of the ordinary.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. Meanwhile, I'll take it to the shock specialist. He's like, no, your forks are done.
It was completely finished. Completely. It was finished before you even sat on it.
Yeah.
It was 3,000 kilometers ago.
Wow. Like, this mechanic knows nothing. And this is a Yamaha dealer here in Cape Town. Not impressed at all. You know, this is my safety. This means a lot to me. And I'm putting my trust and my faith into these people. And this is what happens. Like, it just astounds me. And I was so lucky that these guys were here today to help me. If I had ridden back to Cape Town, not even thinking to check the oil or anything like that, my engine could have blown. So now I'm in desperate like panic mode to find a good mechanic to do the forks. Martin's an amazing guy. Unfortunately, he's too busy to do it. I need someone to properly look after this bike and make sure it's safe. I can't do my trip. And I also found out the bike has to be out of the country by March 6th with this revenue tax thing, and I don't know how to extend it. So I'm trying to figure that out as well. My brain's gonna pop! One thing after the other with this bloody frickin' bike. I'm in a beautiful place here. I shouldn't be so stressed. I get it. This is all a part of the adventure, and things go wrong and they happen, but for God's sakes, I haven't even started the bloody trip yet. And it's just like, all I want is a bike that works. Like, I get it. The bike might break down over time during the trip. I get it. But not fresh out of the Yamaha dealer when I said, make sure it's safe. I can understand if it's like an error that's easily overpassed or like, you know, easily done. But come on, this is just stupidity. This is like, I just don't give a fucking I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all. So I'm in a bit of a pickle right now. I just took the bike up the road. I wanted to test it, and it just stopped. And now it's not turning on. It's not going into neutral for some reason. I don't know if I just not do it. I've tried turning on and turning it off, and the engine light is flashing again. And remember how I was saying in 2 hours no cars passed? Well, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm a 5-10 minute drive from the guest house, which isn't so bad. I can walk that. I have one small bottle of water. My bad. I came out here and not prepared. I don't have a long sleeve or sunscreen. I was just taking it for a test drive. I didn't even think. I mean, it was completely helpless. So I just gotta kind of figure out what to do now. I'm gonna try and start it a couple more times here. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what to do. Okay, more on that in a bit. Thank God a car's coming. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna try and start it. If I can't, I'm gonna get the car and go back to the guest house. All right, so leaving the bike here and catching a ride with these folks.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the baboons are going to take us.
Oh, yeah, the baboons. I forgot about that. Oh, that's hot. I wasn't expecting that one. Nope. Thank you so much. Oh, I was lucky you guys came quickly. Oh. Yeah. All right, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Completely dead.
Bike and it didn't use oil, all right?
Yeah.
So they can most probably tell you, no, the bike was using oil anyway.
Yeah.
So,
But I mean, the guy who rode it before me, he rode it across Africa and had no issues. Just taking it for a test drive, not thinking anything. I didn't put lawn sleeves on or bring water or anything. I was not anticipating. Still not starting. Keeps flashing the engine light. Need to document this because apparently nobody trusts me.
tell me and I will.
Okay, ready?
Alright, I have a brake.
Oh, no, I have to put it back in neutral. I think we're good.
Alright, no.
There we go. All right. There we go.
Can you go freewheel down?
Yeah, I can try.
Right.
All right.
All right, Joe.
Manpower.
I'll get you over the bump. And then I'll start running, all right?
Oh,
Just take it slowly, all right?
okay. Okay. I'm now trying to push my bike down the hill. What the f? Think I'm good. I'm gaining momentum. I'm gaining momentum. Oh. Ah! Is this an adventure? I don't know what is. Holy! This is nuts! It's like magic. You can't hear the engine. You know why? Because it's broken! My bike is broken. I'm in the middle of the Cederburg. What the hell? These people said my bike was safe. It barely made it up here, and now I can't get it back to the Cape Town. What the hell? Not cool, guys. Not cool. I'm so not impressed. These Yamaha guys said my bike was in good condition. I had them check over the entire thing to service it. Is this bike safe to cross Africa? Couldn't even make the Cederburg. Not cool. Nah, I'm into the hill. I lost momentum. I'm gonna need a push. Yep, gonna need a push. Or I could just get off and push it back. Kickstand down. Man, what a f***ing nightmare with this bike. Yeah, I got it! I'm Arnold Schwarzenegger! Ah! No. Best to stop. Oh. Oh, okay. Down. Well, that was fun. You know, first time for everything. Kickstand up. Okay, ready? Heave! Ho! Heave! Ho! Whee! Nothing like an early morning workout, huh? I am so lucky this didn't happen on the way up here, or like halfway through the Cederburg. There's no reception up here. There's none. No reception. Would have been Come on. I'm gonna have to get up and push. Okay. There we go. And just push it. F***ing hot. It was 45 Celsius yesterday. Maybe in front. Oh, yeah, good. Whoop! Unless I trip over a rock. Oh, slowly. On the brake. Well, it's always an adventure with me. It's never a dull moment. Okay. Kickstand down. Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, I was told there's no way I can get this bike out of here. I'm gonna have to get it towed back. This bike's not leaving this country anytime soon. Nope. For now, it's really stinking hot, so I'm gonna go in the pool and then come back and pack everything up. All right, pool time. I'm the world's worst swimmer. I can doggy paddle really well.
Good. Well, that's it. You're drowning. That's fine.
I'm like a drowning epileptic.